More than 7.3 million people have already lost their job in India in April due to this pandemic. And there are lots of people who are working in the fear when their number will come, or they are just working with their compromised salary and just they don't want to lose their job. They are either working with 50% or 60% of their salary. They are just working with those compromisations. People who are relying on only single source of income, they are in very much trouble right now. They just want to make sure that they don't lose their job. They are in the fear that they don't lose their job because this is the only source of income they have. Especially for those who are working in a private sector, because companies are going down, they are forcing their employees to work on a very less salary. They are cutting down their salary and all. Due to this, their single source of income, they don't have any option rather than working with this company and go on with whatever salary they are offering right now. So you need to understand that if you don't build your secondary income streams, you don't know when your job will be lost or you will be jobless. So it is very important, because the situation through which we are going right now have given us the big reason why we should build our multiple income streams, because we don't know how long this situation will go and when everything will be settled down. This is the high time that we need to think and make some strategies so that we can generate our secondary or multiple income streams, so that we can tackle this type of situations in today's time and in near future also. So today I will share you some tips where you can start your secondary, you can start generating your secondary incomes right from your home. So how you can generate or build your secondary income streams? So either you can sell some goods or products to the customers, or you can provide some services to them. But in both the cases, it is not possible right now, because everyone is almost locked down in their home and in their places. So people are very much reluctant to go outside or avail any service from any third party, and they don't want someone to come to their office or their home to provide any services to them, because the situation is not allowing them for that thing. So what are the things you can do to build your secondary income right from your home? There is one industry which is growing very fast and it's booming. That is a digital marketing agency. And why digital marketing agency? Because there is an agency at which you can be a part without investing a lots of amount. You just need to learn some skills, 1 or 2 skills, so that you can start your freelancing business from your home. Look, more and more businesses are going online right now. Lots of businesses have already shifted their model in 2020, and the rest of the business are also thinking or shifting to the online models. So as more and more people are going online, they need to manage their social media account, they need to have their website, they need to have their online portal, so that they can sell their products online. So the demand is going very high, and you don't think that the existing digital marketing agencies can cope up with all the clients, because every marketing agency have their limitations. They can't work beyond their limitations. I mean, they can't work with lots of clients. If they want to work with lots of clients, then they need more people like you, who have some skills, and they can borrow your skills as a freelancer and can serve their clients. So if you learn a skill, because these skills are very much learnable, you don't need to have any prior experience in IT and all. So these are very much learnable skills. If you learn any 1 or 2 skills in this space, in this digital space, then you can start your own freelancing agency, own freelancing business from your home, and you can start providing the service to the agency as well as to the clients also. You can build your own social media presence, so that you can directly approach to the clients and can get a very good amount of projects on every month basis. And this model can give you a very good amount of income every month basis. And if you start it successfully, you don't need to go for any job, you don't need to do any job, or you don't need to compromise on your job and all, because you will get the time freedom, you will get the money freedom, and you don't need to work under any company or any boss. I will share with you top 5 skills which you can learn very easily without any prior IT experience and without any coding knowledge and all, and you can start your own freelancing business by learning those skills, and you can work with any agency or any direct client also, and you can sell those services from your home itself. The number 1 is website designing. Look, people have some misconceptions that they need to be a coder, or they need to know some very high level codings to design websites. But you can, if you don't know any single line of coding, you don't need to write any single line of coding, and you can become a very good website designer, and you can design very high level and critical website as well, because there is a tool called WordPress, and through using which you can design a very good, very critical websites, and without having any knowledge in coding. So you can learn WordPress, and you can start your website designing services, and you can provide those services to clients and other agencies as well, and you can easily earn a very good amount of money every month, because website is something which sells in very good prices. If you become a master on it, you can charge even 3 lakh also for a website, because and it's not big deal. If you reach to the right kind of people, they are ready to provide you that kind of money to you. The number 2 is social media marketing. Now social media marketing is something that each and every one of us are able to do it, because you already use Facebook, Instagram and all. You know how to post on Facebook and Instagram. You know how to comment on those posts. You know how to post videos, how to post reels and all. You just need to do it on behalf of your clients, because your clients have some brands. So on behalf of your clients, you need to provide and regular post on their social network, on their Instagram, Facebook, in another channel maybe, and you need to engage with their audience and clients. You need to engage with their comments and all, so that it can build their online presence, and they can get some clients. They can get some customers as well from those services. The number 3 is graphic designing. Maybe you are thinking, for graphic designing you need to know Photoshop, Illustrator and all. You don't need to know anything. There are some tools present where using which you can do a very good graphic designing as well. You can create those social media posts for your clients, and you can sell those posts, as well as you can use those posts for your social media marketing as well. You don't need to know any Photoshop or CorelDRAW, anything. You just need to improve yourself in the designing part. What are the colors combination you have to put, and you have to just know your client's brand image and all. And after knowing it, what are the fonts you need to use. Just these are the basic things which you need to learn, and how you can better your designing skills and all. You don't need to be pro in any complex applications. It is very much learnable skills, and you can easily learn those skills. Now you may ask, if it is very much learnable skills, why clients are not learning it and doing it in their own? Because the clients don't want to spend their time on doing all those things. They need their business. They are more focused on their business, how they deal with the clients, how they improve their products and all. So they need someone who just deal with those things, their regular clients comments and all, their reputation building and all. That's why they need people like you, like me, to serve them. If you learn Photoshop, Illustrator or CorelDRAW, it will definitely give you an advantage. But it is not necessary as a beginner to learn those skills, and after only that you can start your graphic designing freelancing business. Because without learning skills, you can start, and gradually you can learn those skills, and you can become a pro on it, and you can charge a high amount also by selling those skills to the clients and customers. The 4th one is running Facebook ads. Now people are more into investing on Facebook ads. You need to learn the skills how you can configure the campaigns on Facebook, how you can target those those customers for your clients. What are the different campaigns available in Facebook, how to configure those campaigns, how to target your audience, how to know which audience to target. These are the things you need to learn, and you can run those campaigns and those ads on behalf of your clients, and you can get a very good amount of money using those, because these are some skills which clients just don't bother with. So they always hire some agency or someone to do it very professional way. The last and the fifth skill which you can learn is video editing skills. Look, now more and more people are creating videos. They are going they are creating videos on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram. They are going live and all. So they need some good video editor also. And video editing nowadays has become so much easy that people can edit those videos in their mobile phone also. But still, why people will hire you if it has become so easy? Because the content creator don't have so much time to invest on editing videos, because it needs some patience and all. So they are more focused on their content creation. So who are very much serious on creating video contents, they hire a good video editors so that they can delegate their work. They just can create some more and more contents, and the video editing part can be handled by someone like you and me. So video editing is also a very good skill which you can easily learn and start your freelancing business. So this is the 5 skills which you can learn and start the freelancing business and start earning from your own home. There are lots of other skills as well, but why I have mentioned these 5 skills, because these are the skills which we can learn very easily, and we can start implementing it very fast. So I have mentioned these 5 skills which you can learn and start your freelancing business right from your home, and you can generate a very good revenue streams. Maybe it's a secondary revenue stream or your primary revenue stream, doesn't matter, because creating multiple income streams is a demand of the time. So if you want to start your freelancing business and agency, you can click on the below link where I have shared my PDF of the 6 steps how you can start your freelancing business agency from your own home. I hope this video was informative for you, and please click on the below link and download the free ebook of 6 steps how you can start your freelancing business and how you can earn a secondary income or multiple income streams right from your home. Thank you.